Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. Head of African Regional Central Bank calls for creation of digital currency. The head of the Bank of Central African States, Hervé Noble, has told the regional central banks that it must create a common digital currency which will be used by the countries belonging to the Central African Monetary Union. Noted reportedly wants the BCAC to establish a common legal framework for regulating cryptocurrencies as well. Digital currency to modernize payments structure. It moves seemingly aimed at countering the Central African Republic hence decision to embrace Bitcoin. The head of the BCAS, Hervé Noble, has reportedly urged the institutions to introduce a common digital currency for its 6 member states. The unvaccinated digital currency will ostensibly help modernize the region's payment culture and promote financial inclusion. According to a Bloomberg report, Noble's call came just days after the BCAC concluded that the cost of adopting Bitcoin is incompatible with the agreements and conventions governing the Central African Monetary Union and the statutes of the Bank of Central African States. Regulation of cryptocurrencies. As wrongfully reported by Bitcoin.com news, the CER became the first country in Africa and discount in the world to make Bitcoin legal tender after its signature further to approve the proposal. El Salvador was the first to adopt the cryptocurrency after lawmakers voted overwhelmingly in favor of a bill that made Bitcoin legal tender. Similarly to its Central American counterpart, the child Bitcoin adoption has been characterized by the regional central bank and by the International Monetary Fund. However, the mounting currency has not stopped President Feinstein exchange to their government from proceeding with the launch of the car's own crypto token, the Singcoin. In addition to the common digital currency, the BCAS, it also wants the regional central bank to establish a common legal framework to govern the use of cryptocurrencies, the report said. So, the head of the Bank of Central African States, Hervé Noble, has told the regional central bank board that it must create a common digital currency which will be issued by the countries belonging to the Central African Monetary Union. Yes, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.